One morning in Furfuri Nagar, something strange happened. The whole town smelled like fresh milk. Patlu looked around and said, "Moto, this is not normal. Look at the streets." Moto dipped his finger in a flowing stream and tasted it. "Patlu, it's milk, pure, sweet milk." Suddenly, Jaidish came running. "Guys, the milk factory pipes have exploded. The whole town is filling with milk." Moto became excited. "Patlu, today we will swim in milk and drink at the same time." Patlu said, "Moto, stop. If the whole town floods, everyone will be in danger." They rushed to the milk factory, where giant pipes were shaking like crazy. Moto tried to close a big valve, but slipped. Whoosh! He fell into a flowing river of milk and started floating like a boat. Jaidish shouted, "Moto, you're not swimming, you're drinking all the milk." Moto said, "I can't help it. It's too tasty." Patlu jumped in and pulled Moto out. Then Jaidish used a long rope and tied the broken pipe. Chingam sir arrived and shouted, "Chingam ke chingle se doodh ka flood banchna na mumkin hai." Finally, the milk flow stopped. Moto sat on the floor holding his stomach. Patlu asked, "Moto, are you okay?" Moto smiled. "Yes, Patlu, but I think I drank half of the flood." Everyone started laughing.